ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 2025 RTX 5080 review. Let's talk about the performance, the specs, and the value. So first, what is this laptop? It is a premium flagship 18-inch gaming workstation laptop from ASUS's ROG line, the 2025 Scar 18, equipped with a top-tier CPU, which is the Intel Core Ultra 9275HX, and a high-end GPU, which is the GeForce RTX 5080 laptop GPU, paired with a high refresh rate and a mini LED display. It's designed for heavy-duty gaming and creative workloads. So first, let's talk about the pros. So for the pros, it offers a strong performance, which handles modern AAA games smoothly at high settings. It offers excellent display, quality build and design, well-rounded for gaming plus creative workloads, and upgradable and future-proof hardware. Now for the cons though, it has a heavy and bulky design. Although it is a powerful 18-inch laptop, it is large and heavy, which is less suitable if you expect portability. The battery life is also weak for high performance. Under gaming or heavy load, the battery runs out quickly and not ideal for low unplugged sessions. It also has an overkill for casual use. So if you don't play heavy games or run demanding workloads, then the power and the price may be over the top for light or over everyday tasks. And the heat and noise is also very annoying for underloading. So overall, the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 paired with RTX 5080 is one of the most powerful gaming workstations laptops you can buy right now. However, it's best suited for heavy users or power users. And for just casual gaming, I recommend a different device and a different laptop. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification